Ziria Tanning Drops Review. Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. Let's begin. So the big question is it a legit or a scam? So let's dive into the video. I'm reviewing you Ziria Tanning Drops, a product designed to give you a natural sun-kissed glow without harmful UV exposure. Let's dive in. What is a Ziria Tanning Drops? It is formulated to enhance your natural melanin production, resulting in a gradual even tan. Unlike traditional topical tanners, these drops are ingested by adding them to your favorite beverage. They're packed with skin-nourishing ingredients like the alpha tocopherol acid, succinate, and ascorbic acid, which support hydration and elasticity. How to use? First is the dosage. Start within 2 to 3 drops daily. Mixing, add the drops to a beverage your choice, water, juice, or any smoothie. Consistency for optimal results. Consume on a mixture daily. Most users notice gradual tan within 5 to 7 days of consistent use. So my experience is after 3 weeks of daily use, I observed a natural looking tan. Around day 5, a subtle, even tan developed. By week 3, my skin had a warm golden hue that looked natural. Skin hydration, my skin felt more hydrated and supple, likely due to the nourishing ingredients. No streaks or stains. Since the tan develops from within, there's no concern about the uneven application or stained clothing. So the pros is natural even tan, easy integration, skin benefits, and no mess. And the cons is delayed gratification, consistency required, not FDA approved. Have you tried Ziria tanning drops or similar products? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more products reviews, and hit the notification below. And that's it. Thank you for watching.